Ready? Let me know if you are ready. Just think about one matter in your life that you want some guidance. Good, thank you. Let's go. Is this one? This card, I'm going to read for you the front and back, okay? Look, this picture says something to you. I am open and receptive to new avenues of income. Oh, money! Wow! I now receive my good from expected and unexpected sources. I am an unlimited being, accepting from an unlimited source in an unlimited way. I am blessed beyond my fondest dreams. Wow! It's sensational! Wow! Very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are super welcome. Where are you from? After I take a pic and send to you in attached, I can take a photo of front and back for you. Keep in your mind this excellent vibe, this good vibe for you. It's for you, this, from universe of God. I am open and receptive to new avenues of income. I now receive my good from expected and unexpected sources. I am an unlimited being, accepting from an unlimited source in an unlimited way. I am blessed beyond my fondest dreams. Woo! Yeah! Cynthia! Cynthia! You got me! I didn't expect! Wow! Yeah, you are. And oh my goodness, now knowing you, this match with you, I can tell. I think I have you in my WhatsApp list, that app. I'm going to take a photo front and back of this card till you keep reading and attract, materialize this vibe for you. Wow, look at this picture. I'm so glad you are here, Cynthia, because I make live here almost every day. That is awesome. Already is reality. Just trust. Already is. Imagine we in the assembly, the global family. The card thought about income is coming to you.